Does a pour-in head gasket cleaner really work? Will it damage your engine? Will it clog your radiator? Will it clog your heater core? In today's video, I'm discuss just that. Right here, I'm holding this product from a company called Leak. Pretty sure you guys have seen it. It's the head seal blown head gasket repair. I made a video using this product a few years ago on my daughter's car. I'll let you know the symptoms of a blown head gasket. Why would you want to use this little pour-in product? Mix up all the carbon fiber and all the other additives in here. It has a metallic gray look. It looks like liquid metal almost. The engine oil cap had white milky oil all over it. And I got a lot of comments back on it. A lot positive, a few negative, but just a lot of questions on can it work, can you do an update? So in today's video, I'm doing just that. I'm updating you on this product I used years ago. Would I still recommend it? Did it fail me? Did it clog the heater core? I'm gonna give you all those questions to those answers. I'm gonna give you all those answers to those questions. Let's sit back and enjoy this video. Let's address that first question right now. Did it work? Yes, it did. It lasted 8 months on my daughter's car. She was driving 35 miles one way to school, 35 miles back. The car couldn't go. Then I put this stuff in, and an hour later, and it was able to go. It worked. It lasted 8 months, and then we got rid of the car. Oh, but why'd you get rid of the car if it worked? Well, it was a pretty raggedy car. It was a junk car. My daughter was going to college. When she graduated, my dad, as a gift to her, bought her a new car. So that's why we got rid of the car. And we didn't sell it to anyone. We sold it to the junkyard just because I wouldn't do that to anybody. The second question is, well, okay, it worked, but did it damage the engine? No. At least my experience, zero damage on the engine. Second question, well, did it damage, did it clog the radiator? No, it didn't clog the radiator. Third question, did it clog the heater core? No, it didn't clog the heater core, it didn't clog the radiator, and it didn't damage the engine. Matter of fact, because of all the questions I got on did this clog the heater core, I made another video showing how you can unclog your heater core even if this stuff did, which it didn't. So that video took me roughly, 20 minutes to unclog the heater core, and it was free just because I had the stuff at home, so maybe under $10. Do you have a clogged heater core? If you do, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you how you can take these two water hose attachments for under $10 and unclog your heater core. So even if this does clog the heater core, which for me it didn't, but even if it did, it's gonna take you under an hour and less than $20 to fix it. I think that's worth it. Now let's move on to why should you use this? Because again, based on my personal experience, this did not damage the car, so I highly recommend using this if you have a head gasket leak. So off the back, why you should use this is the cost. Depending on if there's a coupon, if there's a deal, this is anywhere from $30 to $50. So cost right there is a major reason. To get your head gasket done, anywhere from $1,300 to $5,500. People have told me, oh my goodness, man, thank you so much. You just saved me $5,500. I put this stuff in. It's been 6, 7, 8 months and my car is still working. Thank you so much. So cost is by far the number one reason why you would use this. Another reason is just how easy it is. You take it, you have your car is on cold, you pour this into your radiator, you let your car run with the heater on high until the thermostat open, you turn it off, let it cool down, you idle your car for at 1700 RPMs or go take a little short drive for about 15 minutes, then you let your car sit again and you're done. So 1, cost, 2, time, and 3, even though I just said cost, what if you don't have the money? Sometimes you don't have the money. Sometimes you need your car today, tomorrow. You can't wait days or weeks to go to a dealership or have somebody do it, or maybe you don't even know how to do it. So cost is 1, time is 2, the ease of use is 3. A lot of reasons why you should use this. You know, just as a disclaimer, like I said earlier in the video that I made this product, the review product, no one asked me, told me, or even knew I was doing the video when I made it. That's still the case. The company, they don't know I'm making this video. I'm doing it to help you to save others thousands of dollars like I've saved in the past. Now, you might be asking, who do I recommend should use this product? Well, let's say that these are your symptoms. You have white smoke coming out of your exhaust. You have bubbles in your radiator, bubbles in the antifreeze in your radiator. You have loss of coolant in your radiator. You have a very bad hesitation. Your car is idling insanely rough. When you push on the gas, you have pretty much no power. Your car might even turn off, or definitely feels like it wants to turn off. Let's say that you have oil, you have milky oil on the inside of your oil cap. I know that that's not a definite indication that you have a blown head gasket, but with all the other symptoms, that's something that really might put you in that direction. So if you are experiencing those symptoms, that's who I think should use this product. That's who I would recommend. Now, the question that everybody might be thinking, well, since you like it so much and you recommend it so much, would you use it again on another vehicle? Because you did say your daughter's car was pretty much an older car that wasn't worth it. Would I use it on a car that's newer and that is worth it? I have 2 luxury vehicles. I have a Jag XJL Portfolio Supercharged, I just like saying the name, and a Land Rover LR3. Might not be a luxury car to you, but it's a luxury car to me. But the point I'm trying to make is, I would put the product in both of these cars. Actually, I have done one, I'm not going to tell you which one, and it has worked flawlessly, and I would do it again. So that was my review on a review, my long-term review on this product. Again, it's the Bars Leak Professional Head Seal Blown Head Gasket Repair. That was my response to everyone asking, how did it last? Now you know. I highly recommend this stuff. If you don't have the time, the money, the skill set, or you just don't want to pay for a full-blown head gasket repair, to me, this is an excellent alternative. I tried to keep this short. I hope it was. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up and I'll be sure to address them. There's going to be some doubters out there, and I understand that. That's why I did the second video. If it helps any of you, I'm glad. If not, I appreciate you for watching. As usual, you guys have a nice day. Stay blessed.